Hey, All-Purpose Plumbing. My name is Lee Turbianic, and I just spoke with Alicia at your after hours. I was doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you guys 3 things that you can begin today to start beating out the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback after you watch the video. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to touch base on is content, citations, and backlinks. Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage of any website, and that's so you can fit a lot of the keywords that people are actually typing into Google each and every month, which we'll get into and I will show you shortly. But as we scroll down, you guys do have some content, and I do like the layout, but your content is lacking. So I did a quick search for Tacoma plumbers, and the top guy was this Hunt Services. So I wanted to see what kind of content he has, and as you can see, he has a little bit more content than you guys, a little bit more well structured, but he's fitting in these keywords throughout. Tacoma residential plumbing, plumber in Tacoma. As you can see, like I said, we'll get into that. But if you went out and got 1,500 words, you'd easily beat him in that aspect. But now that we're back on this page, I want to break down the overall Google page for you. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying to be up here. It can get very costly, and it's unnecessary if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, which I want to speak about. This middle section and second section is called the GMB, or Google Map Listing. So as you can see, Scott Co Plumbing and Drain Service is in first place. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I rank in that? A citation is what ranks you in this. The more citations, the better. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have this tool I use. It's called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder, and I pay for it monthly. But I put in Scott Co Plumbing's information, and it's telling me he has 37 citations, which is very beatable. Best part about this tool is we can go into his citations, and here's a full laid out list of all the places he's getting his citations, and it's even telling me if they're submittable or not. So we could submit these for your business, and we know that it worked for him, so it's working for you. But I want to go out and get 100 to 200 for your business to really swamp out these guys, plus to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories for people to find you. And also, with these citations, they're not created equal. As you can see, this DA, this is the domain authority, and that's how much power they transfer. As you can see, higher numbers up top, and it starts fading down by the weaker that they are. So we want strong relative citation sources. Let's go back now. And the third thing I want to touch base on is backlinks. Now, a backlink is when one website links to another website via a hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them somewhere on a website where there's blue writing. You click it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving the other website a backlink, and Google considers them as votes for your website. The more backlinks you have, the more votes you have from other businesses that are vouching for you, stating that your company and your webpage is legit. And if they're willing to send their traffic to you, so is Google. That's why Hunt Services is ranking in the first place here. So I'm going to show you why. I have another tool I use called Arifs. And as you can see, I put all-purpose plumbing up here. And this site will show me a full overall statistic of your website. So this UR and DR are very important numbers. You want these as close together as possible and as high as possible, because 0 is the worst and 100 is the best. But you guys have a 22, which is your overall trust flow to your website. And this DR is the overall power of your backlink profile compared to others in your area. So as you can see, you have 278 backlinks coming from 140 websites. Now, even though you have 140 websites giving you 278 backlinks, the powerful ones that transmit power are these do follow links, and you have 94 of them. So let's go look at your competition, which is this Hunt Services Plumbers Tacoma. He has 18 and 28, so his numbers are a little bit higher and better, especially for the backlink profile. As you can see, he has 179 referring domains, giving him almost 3,600 backlinks. Now these do follow links, which he has 100 of. The best part about this is, just like the citations, we can go in here and they're all laid out to be submitted for your business. We can go and submit each and every one of these for yours. We know it's working for him, it'll work for yours, get your power up, which is going to get your ranking up. So when people are typing in these specific keywords, which I'm about to show you, you'll be there at the top. So let's go to this prefix so we can go exactly to this Tacoma plumbing page and see what keywords he's ranking for. He's ranking for 33 keywords. So as you can see, Tacoma plumbing has 1,300 search volume every month. This is a monthly figure, and this is how hard it is to rank for. So let's just go down through. Plumbers Tacoma, 250 searches a month, and it's a 19. Plumber Tacoma, 350 searches a month. And I don't know how much a job is worth to you, but that's 350 people each month typing Plumber Tacoma in the Google search bar looking for a plumber. So Tacoma Plumber, 90. Tacoma Plumbers with the S, 90. Plumbing Tacoma, Washington, 200. Plumber Tacoma, Washington, 200. Plumbers Tacoma, Washington, 150. So there's an endless list here that he has. And if we go into your organic keywords, they're going to be in there maybe as well, Plumbers Tacoma, but you're not ranking on the first page for a lot of them. You're only ranking for your name. You're in the first position. All these other ones, 9th position, 11th, 9th, which is almost the second page. No one ever goes there. See, you're ranking in first place for your all-purpose name. Plumber Lakewood, 80 and 0. You're on the second page, 11th position. Tacoma Plumbers, 90 and 17, but you're on the second page. So, let's do a quick overview of what we talked about. First thing we said was content. You need to have at least 1,500 words on your home page so we could fit a lot of those keywords throughout it. And then we add backlinks to power it. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this section. I want to have at least 200 to 300 of them for your business to beat out these guys by a landslide. Never let them come back. And then it's also getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks, which is what ranks you in this organic section. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. Bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. My name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I really hope this video finds you, and feel free to call me whenever, and any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you, All Purpose Plumbing. Have a great day.